We go from ducts to pipes here. Whether you're in a house or a high-rise, extreme cold like this can wreak havoc on your pipes. In fact, some local plumbers expect service calls to explode in the coming days, but they say it's not too late to act right now. NBC5's Chris Hush teamed up with a local company, showing you how to protect your home.
Plumbers are turning up the heat
on either side of the frozen section
as temperatures turn down, freezing your pipes.
Once it freezes, it's going to burst the pipe, but it's still filled with ice, so it's not going to leak. Once it starts to warm up and that thaws, that hole in the pipe is now going to be a hole that water's going to be coming out of.
John Batke has seen a lot in the more than 3 decades his family's Northwest Side business has been around.
People using blow torches on their pipes.
Really bad idea.
Why?
Well, because it's fire, and you could start a fire. And in one of our Chicago houses, right, an old house, 80 years old, that wood's dry.
Batke demonstrates how they solve the frozen frustration on their calls, which he says are expected to spike up to 500% in the coming days and weeks. A simple electrical charge over a few minutes melts the ice.
Yep.
But it's the damage done to the home that plumbers want you to avoid.
How severe can the damage be when you have a frozen pipe?
If it's up on the second floor, that water's hitting the second floor, the first floor, and the basement. Are they all finished areas? It could be upwards of $250,000.
To avoid a frozen pipe, Batke says to open your cabinets, let your faucets drip using warm water, purchase a heater for your exposed pipes, and don't turn down the heat in your home if you're away. Doing so may lead you to a plumbing call you won't want to make. Chris Hush, NBC5 News.